Hello everybody, this is Fatma from Addictive Tips. Printers are some of the most difficult types of hardware to work with. A lot of the problems that you encounter with your printer has to do with the fact that printer technology hasn't updated much in the past few years. If your printer is giving you trouble, the best thing to do after exhausting all other troubleshooting options is to uninstall it and reinstall it again. On Windows 10, there's two ways to uninstall a printer. You can go through the Settings app or you can go through the Control Panel app. If you want to uninstall a printer from the Settings app, open the Settings app and go to the Devices group of settings. Here, go to the Printers and Scanners tab and your printer should be listed here. Select it and click Remove Device. You don't need your printer to be connected to your system in order to uninstall it. If you want to uninstall a printer from the Control Panel, open Control Panel and go to Hardware and Sounds. Here, select Devices and Printers and then expand Printers. Right-click the printer that you want to remove and from the context menu, select Remove Device. So this will uninstall your printer and any generic drivers that Windows 10 has installed will also be removed. If you've installed a specific driver or a specific printer program that goes with your printer, you're going to have to manually uninstall it. For good measure, you want to restart your system and then try installing your printer again to see if it works this time. It might also be a good idea to clear your printer's memory. You can do this by holding down the power button on your printer for a few seconds. And that's how you uninstall a printer. I'll see you later with more tips and tricks for Windows 10.